So,
you didn't introduce yourself. Hello guys, welcome once again to the Wall Street Star. My name is Israel and I'm here with we'll be doing a market recap of the last week's trade that we took and some that we missed also. So we'll be going to in kind of semi-in-depth analysis, looking at our entry reasons, how we spotted the trade and how we managed the trade, how we exited, all those stuffs. So you could learn one or two that you could incorporate into your analysis.
yeah, that's we posted on our Instagram page.
Yeah.
Wall Street Gram. Yeah. So do it, follow us. We posted on our Instagram about
The US 13, yeah, US 13.
So we basically took like two trades actually, but we had three setups. We didn't take one, two. Yeah. So we had the US 30, we had the gold USD, and also pound USD, the pound CN. The pound CN. So that was the day they released their
interest rates,
right?
Yeah.
They released the interest rate. All the pounds went crumbling. The pounds USD. So basically, we're going to give like a breakdown on the three of them. And also, we didn't take gold. Like I said, we took two and we left one. We didn't take gold USD. That was during the NFP, right? We didn't take gold. Like we had the setup, had the buy. It was around the 300 pips, thereabout. Also, the yen was around. It was around 300, but we didn't take the whole 300.
We just took about 150
Yeah.
And most of our students, they got this before and after of all our trades. So they are also opportune to get into this trade with us. They see our reasons behind these trades and they are able to add to their knowledge when the trade is going live. Also see how we manage our trades also, because that's also very important, how you manage your trades and your emotions too as the trades are running. So we'll be diving into the charts now to take you guys along the breakdown of the trades recap that we just did this week. Yeah, let's start with US 30 that we
already gave the breakdown, so we just rush through the US 30, go to the yen and then the gold. So yeah, join us guys. So guys, this day. Okay, let's start with the US 30. Yeah, let's start with the US 30. So we still have our markup. So let's delete it. Let's go ahead to delete it. Right. Let's go ahead to delete it. So guys, as you already know, or if you have not seen the video on the Instagram, go and check it out. We had a breakdown, a full breakdown. Like I said in the video, we got in around this level, right? Going around this level. As you can see, price was actually trading upwards, like fully. The uptrend was trading upwards already, even before this time. The whole of last month was trending upwards, everything. You see, trending upwards. So US 30 was like a full buy, right?
On a complete uptrend, from last month to this month.
Yes, it was
an uptrend. So basically, we're not looking out for buys.
Yeah.
Basically, we're out for buys.
Yeah. And we like we said in the video, we had this weekly supply level that was broken already.
Yeah.
S&P and everything.
Our bias was completely bullish in the market.
Yeah, so we had it broken out. We got our pullbacks and everything. So we jumped into the trade. So this was it basically. We had an uptrend, button around here. The trade was held for, let's say from here to around 36 or 150. That was our take profit around this level. So it was a 60 pip move. Like I said, it was a 60 pip move. So okay.
Just like you explained in the video, we had multiple entries, about two entries we had.
We had two entries around this 50, 35, 800, thereabouts. That's okay. Let's go to level. Yeah, around it. Okay, yeah.
I don't know, entry right there.
Yeah. We had this entry here. That's 5,900. We had it. Second entry here. We had the first one here. Pushed it up. We're not going to go over this analysis again.
Just check out our video on Instagram. You see in-depth details on this particular pair.
Yeah, definitely. So with no long talk, let's go over to the pounds here.
Yeah, let's do that.
So the pound yen is almost identical to the US 30 in a way, right? In a way, we had a demand level, a demand zone around here. Had a demand. This, like, as you can see, nice
Demand level
and everything. Right here tested for the first time. Right here, we have this. We have this also. And we have this. It was need to be scrapped. It was used and messed up. So we are looking out for the breakouts, which it did. Broke out the demand level.
We had a clean breakout on GJ, so our buyers just came to looking for sales basically.
Yeah. The level was used already, so we are bearish on the pair. So waited for price to come back up. You know, we have a fresh level around here, a fresh demand. A fresh supply actually.
Supply level,
and a fresh supplier around here. So let's do that. So waited for price to test our level, and we got in around this point, right? Got in around this point. Yeah. You know, this whole move was around. It
was over 300 pips.
Yeah. Let's check that. 300.
Over 300.
That's much.
Yeah.
But we didn't eat all, guys.
We didn't take all the pips. We took about 150 pips. I think we went out at we actually broke even after it broke the previous low.
Yes, we did.
Yeah.
We did. We left around 154, 900 there about. So let's see. No, it wasn't 154, 900. Was it? Nope. We left around here. That's around 154. Left around 154 here. 154, 100 thereabouts. Yes. Left around 154.
It was a good 1:4 to reward. So we're good with that. So it mustn't really wait to the end of. Once you meet your target for that trade, you are good. It mustn't really stay to the end of the whole movement.
Yeah. So we had our stop loss, above this level. That was around here. And our stops around here. It was actually a 35 pip stop loss, around 30 pip, 35 pip thereabouts, based on the calculation of the pound yen. It's different from the pound USD, based on the broker you're using. So it was around 35 pips actually from our entry. It was around the 35 pip stop loss, around 30-35. Around 30-35. Our takeoff it was worth it. Over 100.
It was a pretty fast trade. Like really, we got our entry to move in our direction, basically.
Yeah. So guys, the sell was taken like straightforward. We have a demand block that was tested a couple of times. Like I said, tested here 2, 3, 4, and it was messed up already. So it broke out. There was a breakout. Eventually we got a fresh demand. We got a fresh supply. Fresh supply. So we looked out for ourselves, and also the interest rates.
Yeah, interest rates. When interest rate came out, it kind of added, it gave the market kind of volatility in a way to make it move faster in our direction.
Yeah, as you all know, it's like one of the highest
has impact.
Events.
Yeah, has real impact to the market.
So we had it helped us once now where, like I usually say, like we usually say, you get informed about all these economic events, when they're coming out, whether to trade, still be in the market or not be in the market. But if you have your technical at some point, I guess fundamental.
In most cases, the fundamentals just kind of drive the market in your direction. So once you have a good sound technical analysis, you don't really have to worry much about fundamentals. You need to be aware of them, but you don't really have to worry much about the fundamental.
Yeah. So guys, That's it for the pounds here. Nice, fresh block.
Yeah.
Said ones, fresh block. We got to sell. Nice liquidity. High.
It was a pretty fast trade, yeah.
So it was a nice trade.
Yeah.
So also to spot these zones and all this supply and demand blocks, how the ones to hold, the ones that are used or whatever it is, is in our course.
Yeah, basically how to spot proper supply and demand levels, the ones that will hold, like you said, and those that won't necessarily hold or you should worry about. So we have all these more details in our course. All our students know how to spot these levels. So like I said, once you have a sound strategy, technical, you don't really need to worry much about fundamental. It just drives markets in your direction.
Yeah, so but you need to pay attention to the fundamental.
Yeah, definitely you need, you need to do that. Yeah.
Because most of this, like the NFP, can move against you and come back.
Especially the NFP.
Yeah, but it's cool. Let's jump into the gold USD that we didn't take. Yep. So this is a big gold, right?
Yeah.
This is a big gold. Yeah, so we had this setup for a buy. We had this buy setup. Actually, Israel was the reason why we didn't take this trade.
Personally, I just have a reservation when it comes to major economic events like the NFP. Some, not all. So, and I was like, since it's Friday, let us just let the trade slide.
Yeah, that's another thing. Discipline. What can I say? So,
No, it's all about your trading plan also. So you need to stick to your plan. So once your plan says this or that, you need to just flow with it. As long as you stay consistent, that's what matters.
Yep. So about the gold, we had as fine gold is like a massive pair you get against the USD. So all these little movements, like it's a hell of pips. Yeah. So we have sales and buy. But if you look back, you'll see that it has been consolidating for some time, right? Look back down to the daily time frame. Let's see. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. What's the 4 hour time frame? You can see it seems like it's trending upwards, sometimes it seems like it's trending downwards and everything, but your strategy matters, right? So if you have the best strategy, like we have in Wall Street Forex, you're going to we know the movement of the market and everything. So guys, the goal, we had this level of supply right here. We have this level of supply right here that was broken. This sell that I called, I think, beginning of last week, was it?
Yeah, we took this. Well, actually, took this trade on. I think that was on Wednesday last week. Wednesday last week, yeah. We took this sell on the New York session, yeah. But that was all we did on gold. We didn't. That was the last we did on gold.
Yeah, yeah. I remember the video. Yes. Yes. So we had this level that was broken, and actually last week we had this analysis that the weekly candle, right, of the gold USD is going to be a bullish candle. You get, so it's going to be a bull last week.
Yeah.
Right. So we looked out for bulls, obviously. Then immediately our supply level was broken. We are bullish already. We were just waiting for price to come back, test it, and give us our entry. And that's what it did. Like it was a very, very fine setup, nice liquidity. Like it just came more like this sniper entry, right?
I picked our order. Let's pick your order.
Yeah. But unfortunately, we didn't get it.
Yeah.
So that's basically it. We had the supply broken on demand, picked order, and you buy. Lots of paper. I think our take profit was around here.
Yeah.
So guys, that's that for the weekly recap, right?
Coming into this week, we are still bullish on gold. So once we get our entry requirements, like I said, we follow our plan. Once we get our entry requirements, we'll obviously not miss out on this next golden opportunity. So we're going to give you guys our outlook on what we expect the market to do on this particular 3 pairs this week that we are in right now. So we're starting off with US 30.
Yeah.
Let's start with US 30.
Okay, let's go over to the US 30. This is the US 30. Okay, now we're looking at the bull, right? Based on the supply and demand of the trade, and based on the trend, I feel price is going to probably keep creating higher highs.
More higher,
Right? Yeah, it's going to, because I feel there are demand levels that have orders here to build and everything. So I think price should create higher highs. So, but if it breaks below, I feel if price breaks below some levels, probably at that 6100 we could have sales.
Once we have a clear break below 36100 and we have a close below, then our buyers will then change to sales.
Yeah.
For now, we are still bullish on US 30.
Yeah, we are bullish until proven wrong, I guess.
Yeah.
Maybe price breaking below our level and all that. So it's a bull market, so you look for buys, right? So going over to the pounds yen, fuel price is going to consolidate for some time. Probably maybe fake out this level, go below 150-800, or then we may see it getting back up. Probably. What do you feel?
Yeah, I will still personally be looking out for sell opportunities, but once the market opens, we'll be more clear on our outlook on GJ. Yeah, so
yeah. So for the pounds yen, I feel it's a massive bear move. Obviously, rather than trying to down, so we can see some corrections to some point. Like I said, some orders to be filled, demand levels, big orders and all that. So that's that for the pound yen. So
I feel like this pound yen price may come back to this supply level.
Yeah, probably.
Come at that supply level. So we might see price come back to pick some liquidity from this supply level before going more to the downside.
Yeah, probably. We'll see what happens. But I think some orders need to be filled. And I feel buy orders, long orders should be filled, right? So let's go back to the gold USD. So gold. So what do you feel this drop?
Yeah, this gold, like I said, still bullish on gold, obviously. So once price gives us our entry criteria, we'll obviously going on gold. We might also give you guys an update. Like I said, join our free Telegram. So
we
always drop that on our Telegram, and sometimes on Instagram. Once in a while, we drop the analysis on Instagram. So do well to join our Telegram group. So guys, I hope this recap was really helpful to you guys, and you see the way we spotted our entries and how we managed the trades that we took. And basically, this week we will be giving you guys more updates as the markets unfold.
True. So guys, like you said, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our channel, comment, and you follow me on Instagram too.
Yeah. So, and if you have any other suggestions for videos that we should do for you guys, or any explanation that you want, please leave it in the comment section below. And if you found value in this video, please do like, subscribe, and also share. So see you in our next video.